Sheesh. Nothing like a good old-fashioned winter fishing trip. You bet your bottom dollar we're gonna go fishing in this tomorrow. We're gonna be hitting Pyramid Lake for a nice little winter fishing, catch and cook, hopefully on the boat. I'll show you everything that we'll be doing, but today is prep day. Gotta get this bad boy unwrapped, get all the snow off of it, get the canopy set up so we'll be nice and toasty on the water. Well, you can see my breath right now. It's about 32 degrees. Tomorrow's the high is supposed to be 37. But what are you gonna do? Still gotta go fishing. So stay tuned. We'll catch you on the water. And I am gonna be announcing the giveaway tomorrow. So if you're watching this video and you subscribed and commented kayak in that video, you might be entered to win. So I know I didn't get up to 500 subscribers, but it's Christmas time. I'm gonna be surprising someone with a nice little Christmas gift. So hopefully you're the winner. We'll catch you out on the water.
Let's get it today. Trout slaying, boys.
Picked the coldest day to go fishing, dude.
Actually, you know, I think that overcast created like a nice heat blanket that kept all the heat in.
Diesel, let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know the drill. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's all slippery.
He's like, nobody would complain, but it's cold.
Yeah, it is. Fish don't mind. Mikey, you want me to get the heater started for you?
Yeah. It's a little cold, man. Look. Yeah.
18 hours of heat. That's what we need, guys. Oh, hell yeah, 90%. Got a good battery.
What are we doing, mitts?
Woo, winter fishing, here we go.
Crossing the lake, let's do it.
I told you. I wasn't kidding about yesterday, prep day, getting the boat all uncovered. Then you gotta de-ice.
No chore fishing today.
In the boat. It's warmer in the water than it is outside right now. That's saying something. You need to warm up, jump in. Seriously.
That guy's thermostat was...
He's following us. He's like, they know where the... Yeah, it doesn't sell these. He gave me this one. That's crazy. Sick looking.
See that one? A little choppy.
The custom made those.
We got the heater going.
We ain't messing around with it. So I was happy he gave me an extra body and a fucking another one. He always looks it up when I put money like this. That was worth it. Didn't feel that big, but
Hey, it's a fish.
First fish of the day. We're what, 10 minutes
First
in?
fish, 5 minutes. What? We just put the lines out, huh?
Yeah.
5 minutes in.
Is it a pinfish? 15 pounder or what?
No.
Nah.
Feels pretty small. Oh, this one just popped loose.
Here we got another one.
Somebody grab the net. Yeah, let me get behind you and grab the net. You got him, Mitch? You want to the right?
I think it came off, but something hit it. It popped out of the foot.
Get Brian.
Bring it in. Oh, hasta la vista.
Gone. Fish number one.
Number one.
Camera died, but it's all right.
It wasn't
We counted, right? We got him on camera.
good counted. Got some pictures of him. Is it gonna be a
It
big
looks
one?
like a bit better one.
What we got going?
Let's hurry. Let's go, man.
You want to grab the net? Who we got on net?
I got it.
What'd you say? Hit the gas?
Hit the gas.
Drink the crawfish.
Oh, she's pulling, huh?
Looks like a pretty good one. Not bad, not bad. Felt like last one.
Mine's bigger.
Oh yeah, it is a little bigger.
Oh, first fish of the day.
Nice one, man. Nice one.
Shook off. That's a good one. Fish number 2. Winter trout fishing. Ready? Hot drop. Ready? Because mine had white fins.
Yeah.
There we go.
Jingo.
There you go. We're just trolling over here.
Yeah.
Went to a new spot.
I think we're doing
Hell's
a half
Kitchen
day over
across the lake.
here. Maybe when we hit it.
Fish number 3, Brian?
Let's try to get it in the boat. You think it's gonna be a keeper for our catch and cook? We brought the barbecue today. I'm gonna show you that secret recipe on that video. If you haven't checked it out, I'll put a link in the description. Easiest way to cook a trout. I promise you, hands down, even in this cold weather. Oh, it's biting.
It's salt and pepper.
With butter.
Double hit.
Double up.
It's that salt and pepper recipe.
It's that secret salt and pepper recipe.
No one wants to grab a net, I guess.
I got the net. Sorry. We don't got a net big enough for all 3 fish. Like the net, dude.
Oh, I fucked up. It's pulling my neck.
Tighten it. Get him off that line. Get him off that line.
Pull.
Get him off that line.
Got pull up.
Oh no, he's getting in the line. He just crossed it. He just crossed it. He's stuck on the line now. He's got to go around it. Oh, came off. Good. Yeah, nice one, Brian.
Hog right there, boy.
Nice one.
Thanks, Mike. You have the pliers? I tail grabbed mine, it was close enough. Couldn't wait for Brian to get his in. Just kidding. We got a double header.
So who's net?
Double. I think we had Nelms on the net.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You just put yours on that thingy.
That's a good one,
Dude, he...
though. Hey.
Nice one.
Is that 2-pounder?
Oh, that's 3 pounds.
Maybe half a pound?
That's 3
Let's
pounds.
get
Easy.
Gone.
It's a good fish today, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Number 4,
Winter
right?
fishing, winter fishing.
Number 4. Man, it's cold.
Second double header of the day.
Doubling up.
I just called it. What? I said we're gonna catch fish in 20 seconds, and boom, we got a double header on.
Yeah, say we're gonna catch 2 fish
Shut
in 20
up.
seconds.
Double up.
You got the net, anybody?
Got it close? Okay, yeah, where's the net?
Need a longer net.
Got time. Brian's next. Putting 2 fish in one net.
It's a Chinese fire drill here.
Woo! 2 fish, 1 net.
Woo!
Came off perfect.
See it. Mine's the biggest, Brian.
It's okay.
You thought I was kidding? Woo! Look at that double header.
Actually, we just let him go.
That's
Number
a good problem to
6.
have. That's a good problem to have.
Should we just let him go?
Dang.
Faithful.
That's a meat right there.
Brian, you want to touch him or just quick release?
Quick release.
Quick release. Ready, fellas?
Okay, I think we're at 5. Yeah, that one might need a little resuscitation.
We'll let one go.
Oh, you got it. Yeah.
Gone.
Kick it in here.
What is this, Brian? Number 8?
Yeah, hopefully let's try to get it in the boat before we start counting it off.
Woo. Well, I think the cold is worth it today.
Yeah. Might be a 100 fish day, boy.
He keeps switching sides on me. He's a smart fish.
Smarter than the angler.
Not too hard to do. Oh, he's a good one.
How far out?
He's right there.
Oh, nice.
Oh, he's tangled in your line.
I know, man. Sorry.
Oh, he popped off, right?
Too late?
Yeah.
It's a mess, huh?
Oh, we're all fucked up.
What's up?
Number 8.
How did we
After
get...
all that Chinese fire drill, still got the fish. And it wasn't even on this one.
What, quick release him?
Look at that yellow. Look at that yellow tag right there.
Yeah, let's try, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? It's a good fish. It's a good fish. All right. Let's get back.
Quick release him. He's gone.
Oh, there's a ranger right there.
It's La Policía.
How's it feel, Brain?
Man, it feels really good to get a fish on someone else's line, right, Mikey?
Yeah. Hey, that's my fish, Brian.
What do? We switched spots. So, what had happened was your boy did not put gas in the boat. We were on the other side of the lake, and I was a little unsettled being all the way over there and not really knowing if we were going to run out of gas. So we came back over here to the west shore. I think Brian lost. He's just messing around.
Just messing around with you guys, just getting you guys unsettled.
No, still on there. Dang, that's a hog. Don't horse it. That's a good fish.
Where are you bringing?
We're trying to do a catch and cook for you guys, but essentially, all these fish have been not in the legal size limit. Watch that weight, don't get smacked in the face. Caught it on my rod.
Pull it out, man.
Dang. He's not getting out.
Come on, Mitch, grab him.
Does that say 30 or 20?
21.
Here, let me get it. Where are the...
Are we gonna get your 10-pound pin? Damn, that's a good one, huh?
Hey, honey.
Copper and neutral if it's a good one, maybe.
How's it feel, Mikey?
Oh, that's a...
All right.
There's a little one.
Quick release?
Quick release.
Fish number 11.
Quick release, too cold. Dang the keeper, we don't even touch him.
Mikey says it's too cold for a fish bait.
Yeah.
We got the gloves on, the beanie on, and we're trolling. Yo.
Good fish, it's on there for sure. Hey, what number is that? Fish number 10?
Number 12. He can't count.
I counted in Spanish.
Ah.
Due to inclement weather, we are quick releasing fish for the safety of the...
Don't want their gills freezing.
Nothing kills for overfreezing.
That's a thing.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah, it is. Changing colors. Scoop it up, Nelm.
Did you want me to pull it into the boat?
Dang. That's pretty.
Beautiful male, huh?
Pretty fish.
That.
Fish.
Now bring me the head forward. There you go, 1, 2. There you go, buddy.
Hey,
There you
that's
go.
a pretty fish.
That's a pretty
go.
fish.
You want to release it on camera?
Really pretty one. I love it when they're dark like that. That's the other strain, not the
Ooh.
pilot peak.
That's the summit.
Alright, Brando, first fish. Huh?
I'll take it.
What kind of lure you got on there?
It's a hookup bait.
Yeah. Feels like one, right?
Just kidding.
You guys want to let me know?
As long as it's the biggest one of the day. This is the one that wasn't catching shit, by the way, guys.
Noodle rod. Noodle rod.
See him?
Oh, damn.
The grill off?
Barbecue. Barbecue. Wilding out. Wilding out. He's not ready.
Get that. Grab onto your jacket.
Did you catch that one yourself now?
Just dropped it down when you said that. So this is my fish. The other one doesn't count. He's not massive, but it's a nice fish.
It's good. It's a hook'em baits fish. That's why, right, Brandon?
Yeah, that's why. That's why right when I dropped it down, when we seen that blip, it was fish on.
That was a lot of fish. Noodle rod.
He's staying deep. You got me. He's probably gonna be decent, dude. He's staying deep.
How you know they're big fish is when they stay deep.
Go ahead, just put that wherever you want.
What? Oh, dude. I really want this fish. He's beautiful.
Tighten that drag, man.
Fucking nice fish. Don't horse it, don't horse it. I'm just kidding.
Oh, dude, I gotta tighten my drag. This thing's pulling.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Fuck yeah, Mitch. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
It's a beautiful fish. It's a fucking beautiful fish.
Dope.
That's a nice one right there.
That's a good one, huh? That's what? 3 or 4 pounds?
No, dude, that's 5 all day. That's probably
All
6
day.
pound trout.
There you go.
Come on, test it.
That's a
Super
6 pound trout for sure.
Super pretty.
It's a toad.
Nice fish, Brandon.
Yeah,
Back in the water?
I trust it that it could be an 8. Not 8, but ooh, it's an easy.
Quick release?
Yeah, get a nice shot of him with that GoPro. I love the color on him, man. Beautiful, beautiful fish.
There you go, man. Nice fish, dude.
On the hookup. I told you guys, I'm a believer. He gone. Head first.
Good job, Brandon. Good fish.
Fish 5? Fish 5. I think that was that blimp, Mitch.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back through there.
Mitch, can we jig now?
Okay. Hook up baits.
Oh my god.
Whew. That was a chilly one today. I do have to apologize for not doing the catch and cook today, but it wasn't my fault, I promise. All of those fish that we caught were not legal fish. Now let me explain that to you. To keep a fish out at Pyramid, you're allowed 2 fish a day. One has to be between 17 or 20 inches, or you can keep 2 between that length, so that's 17 inches to 20 inches, or you can keep 1 over 24 inches. I think the biggest fish we caught was about a 24, 25 incher that Brandon caught, that nice little 4-pounder, 5-pounder off the hookup bait, but it's a little too big for us to eat on the lake, and all the other fish were right in that slot limit of 20 to 24 inches, and you cannot keep those fish. So I do apologize for not doing the catch cook, but I will do it for you in future videos. Now, I told you I was gonna announce the kayak giveaway winner in Pablito. I hope that I pronounced that right, but that's your YouTube name. I am gonna be commenting you in this video, so look out for that if you are watching this video. And you just won yourself a nice kayak. So Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy it. I think you will. It's very versatile in what you can use it for. So comment back and we'll schedule something for you to come pick it up or meet you somewhere. But until next time, I hope you liked this video. Just remember to subscribe, like, or comment. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you want to see and I'll get it done. I'm gonna plan on doing a shore fishing video in the springtime for you. Do some fly fishing offshore because I think that's relatively when you'll have the best success out there shore fishing. But I'll give you all the tips and tricks. So we'll see you later, everyone. I hope you have a very happy holidays and stay safe out there. And always remember, hook them in the face. We'll catch you later.